This is why you need to know about Yajooj and Majooj. These names hold secrets you won't believe. The Quran speaks of Yajooj and Majooj, two mysterious tribes locked away behind an unbreakable barrier. Their story begins with Dhul-Qarnayn, a mighty ruler who built a massive wall to contain them. But who are they really? Are they metaphorical or real? Scholars have debated this for centuries. Some say they symbolize chaos and destruction, others believe they are actual tribes waiting to be unleashed. The Quran hints at their eventual return, a day when they will break free and spread across the earth like waves. This event is said to be a sign of the Day of Judgment. Why were they imprisoned? What will their return mean for humanity? These questions keep scholars and believers intrigued, fueling endless discussions and theories. So, next time you hear Yajooj and Majooj, remember, they are more than just names. They are a profound mystery yet to be fully understood. Plea.